am myself Ayushi Kumari. So today I will discuss the computer network. So let's begin the computer network. A computer network is a group of computers that uses a set of common communication protocols over digital interconnection for the purpose of sharing resources located or provided by the network nodes. The best known computer network is the network. There is a picture of computer network. A computer network is a graphical representation of the project and it is composed a series of connected arrows and boxes description describe the interrelation between the activities involved in the project. Boxes or nodes that represent the description of activities and arrows that show the relation among activities. Types of computer network. There are four types of computer network: LAN, local area network; PAN, personal area network; MAN, metropolitan network; WAN, wide area network. LAN, local area network. A local area network is a computer network that interconnections computer within a limited area such as residence, school, laboratory, university, campus, or official building. PAN, Personal Area Network. Personal Area Network is a network arranged within an individual person, typically within a range of 10 meters. Personal Area Network is used for connecting the computer devices of personnel. V is known as Personal Area Network. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. A metropolitan area network is a network that covers a large geographic area by interconnecting of different LAN to form a large network. It has higher range than local area network. WAN, Wide Area Network. A wide area network is a network that extends over a large geographical area such as states or countries. A wide area network is widely used in the field of business, government and education. Here we will discuss about the features of computer network: communication speed, file sharing, backup and rollback, hardware and software sharing, security, scalability, reliability. Communication speed. Network provide us to communicate over the network in a fast and efficient manner. For example, we can do video conferencing, email messaging, etc. over the internet. Therefore, the computer network is a great way to share ideas and knowledge. File sharing. File sharing is one of the major advantages of the computer network. Computer network provide us to share the file with each other. Backup and rollback is easy. Since the files are stored in the main server, which is certainly located, therefore it is easy to take the backup from the main server. Software and hardware sharing. We can install the application on the main server. Therefore, the users can access the application centrally, so we do not need to install the software on every machine. Similarly, hardware can also be shared. Security. Network allows the security by ensuring that the user has the right to access the certain files and applications. Stability. Stability means that we can add the new components on the computer network. Network must be scalable so that we can extend the network by adding new devices. Reliability. Computer network can use the alternative source for the data communication in case of any hardware failure. Thank you.